Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your eyes bigger on the CapCut application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the edit button and then select the project that you want to edit. Tap on the edit button down below on the left side corner, slide to the left side until you find the retouch option. Tap on it and select face. Here you should tap on the reshape option in the middle, select the eyes subcategory and tap on big eyes. Here you can zoom into your eyes to see the targeted area more precisely, and you can make your eyes bigger by using the slide at the bottom of the page. After making your adjustments, tap on the check mark icon below on the right side corner if you want to save them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.